Hi, so I got this mesh blue office chair. So showing what unboxing, what it looks like. You have wrapped in bubble wrap, there's the armrest. And it tells you L for left. So I can keep that kind of right there so I know it's the left one. And here is the back. So I will take everything out and show you all the parts. There's a 7. So as you can see, here's the other side. This is going to be your R for right. Your back, your base, right there. And then I have wheels, part 8, which is your base part. This will go on the bottom of the seat. Looks like headrests, parts, tool, and lastly, parts inside. So I'll have them all laid out and I'll start showing the instructions. So here's the instruction manual. It shows all the parts, how many quantity, and your more list. So I'm gonna go to step 1. You're gonna take the base, and you can see it says number 8, which is this thing right here. I'm gonna take that bottom part off, flip it upside down, and then I'm gonna grab these. And if you read, it says you're gonna take, going down to your next step, take the tool and 5 of the D5s. So it's nice labeled right here. I'll do this and I'll come back for step 2. So step 3, you have your base done. You're gonna take that cap, which I have right here, place it down, and you can see it goes right there, nice and snug. You put the wheels on, and then that gas shock is just gonna place in right there. So I'll put the wheels on, which I have down below, snap them in and come for step 4. So step 4, you can see, use your packaging carton. So I have it right here. I have the base resting on it. So it has like a table for you. And then I have my right, and I'm gonna grab 3 of these, place it in, and find where that is. Use that tool, and then I will come back after I get these armrests installed for step 5. So step 5, you're gonna grab number 5, 2 A2s, 2 B2s, and the tool. If you look, you have the A's in the front, and you can kind of see like a front right there with this. So I have that facing there, the A's in the front, and then the 2 B's in the back. So right here, and then right there. So I'll get these installed and come to step 6. So step 6, you're gonna take this back base, slide it in, and use 3 of the C's, and then put it in the instructions shown. So I'll have that installed and come back for step 7, and you're just gonna place that right there on the base. So you have that little hole right here. Get it on, line it up. So this is installed. So I will come down to the next step, which is the headrest. And you're gonna mount it on the back. And you have F and 2 number E's, and then it'll be fully installed. So this chair can also tilt, so it can tilt 90 degrees, 120, or even 135 degrees. So you have that headrest, you can lean back with it. So it's very comfortable with that lumbar support and that tilt. So this is fully assembled. As you can see, there is that nice mesh. This is ergonomic S-shape back. It's got lumbar support. You can adjust right here, and it's gonna adjust this right here. There is a headrest, 2D, with that flex with that mesh. And then these armrest is a 3D. So this can raise, you can tilt it, and then these can also slide back and forth. This seat also does go up 4 inches, so you can place it there and go down if you'd like, all the way down 4 inches. So like I said, it's very simple. These even like can rotate in or out. So with it, it is a great office chair with that support, adjustability, and just that nice comfort and that good cushion on your base. So if you're looking for a great office chair, you can get this one on Amazon.